So I want to trade this one. I'll tell you why. This has been a major downtrend. I lost a couple of trades before. And what happened is that it went up. It again went up. So it did not cross. It did not break this key level strongly, but stopped exactly at 100 EMA. And it is still due to reverse towards 50 EMA also. So this one worked well. So you have to understand that this was an engulfing against the pattern, and it stopped exactly as retracement level. But you also have to understand that this is an overbought area. So an engulfing against the major trend in an overbought area, not a very great idea. See, it went through it. There's still some level it has to take over, but this is giving you indication that I want to get down back. This one, if you see, is has had a change of polarity already. It's already getting there. So yeah, it has to go back. What do we do now? So this is a strong resistance level. This is a key level. This is the resistance level. The support level are only this one, and it is kind of going towards a golden, sorry, DNA crossing, a golden crossing. So it has a tendency to go back up. So it's really strongly going up, but I would wait for it to get under. Please get down first. No, I won't trade it. I know it may go a bit towards a bullish candle of the golden cross, but it is quite tight considering the overall context of it. So what do you think we should go? So it did not break this level. This level is a golden cross already reaching here. Now what do we do? This one became, there was change of polarity here, and that's what was being respected. A golden cross, change of polarity. It may again have a change of polarity, but it has not really rejected from here yet. Let's go for a call trade. But it was change of polarity over here as well. Okay. So allow this one because apparently it is. So apparently it is measures trend. What do we do? What do we think we have? This is a strong support zone. So let's do it here. It's a strong support zone. I know it is. It is also three black crows, so it should get down. This is not so strong candle stopped at a support level. This crossed two strong EMS as a conjunction of it, so it will retrace back. Yes. So now we'll go for another trade. Already had three trades. So this one is really going up again because of this golden handshake, but this has had its own bizarre, and it could not end very well. This candle may not be a very strong candle or definite candle, and it's also almost the time of that 2 o'clock. US markets just opening up, so we'll wait for bet, or we can also stop here. So let's see what do we do. This is showing a strong buying signal. Previous one is also showing a strong buying signal. But it stopped at one deviation. It is still showing a strong buying signal. What do we do? It's already crossed this level very strongly. So I will not trade it. The moment it went off this trade, this one, and even this one, you cannot trade it. So the major trend is still downwards. The minor trend is also getting towards downwards. So this is trend where it went downwards. It got rejected from the key level, a strong key level, round number. It is still downward. It has not reached the one deviation, lower one deviation yet. A strong engulfing, really strong engulfing, it will go down. But it also has two wicks on both sides, the lower wick high. So I could have traded somewhere here, but I cannot trade here. I have to really go at least to the middle of it or this junction of EMAs. Let's see where we are now. So you see it stopped exactly at this level. It is also a strong resistance level. If you see here, it got resisted, but it is also wants to go back up. It doesn't want to go to the lower Bollinger Band. So this is a very strange candle. The two EMFs are intermingling. They are not showing any clear trend change, and that's a very risky market. And you can also imagine, see, it's going so much pushes. It's still showing sellers are getting more and more stronger, but buyers are still there. So again, it got pushed back, and now this golden 20 EMA is going downwards. It's also getting out of that intermingling, and it has been downwards before also. So it is quite a chance that it will come down again. It is also a gap down in this candle, but it's such a weak candle. that you cannot always be sure. You also have to understand that two huge wicks upward actually weakens the upward pressure or selling pressure, buying pressure. Right. So let's show you what had happened. This is the trend line, a very interesting trend line. It is going easily like this. It cannot go beyond up and up. But these are very small candles. It could go anywhere. So I would not trade it. I would rather stop right now than trade and make lose money. So if this is getting materializing further, okay, so this is really getting materializing further, but there are two times it has tried to go down, and this one stopped at 50% of, more than 50% of this. I would I would watch for going a bearish candle, but again, I don't want to gamble. Let's see if it goes with determination or not. It's got rejected by two deviation. It gets stopped exactly at two deviation. So it will after a breakout. And if you see it here, trend line, it is kind of stopping at its level. But it still needs to get down because it simply cannot go above this, cannot just stop, go above this. It has to still stay within its limit. See, and this is where I would like to. So this was not a very nice trade. It's more of an arrogance and a FOMO trade. So I think I know where I'm heading towards, and I would rather stop here.